Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get My AI on Snapchat. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you do is you need to be in Snapchat, obviously, and then you'll be having this search option, or you can also go to your chats and then go to search option like this, and over here just type My AI. So just press the first prompt that appears, and now you are in My AI section. So My AI is, let's say, a chatbot, AI chatbot that Snapchat has updated. So now just type anything, let's say hello. So over here you can chat with My AI, or you can send voice messages, or you can even like send a snap, even the photos and all. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it, that's how you get it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.